Hello, today we will show you how to use ClusterDesktop on Android. Please feel free to use any other VNC or RDP or STP clients. The programs shown in this video are not obligatory. To make a VNC connection to your computer, first open up Jump and make a new manual setup. Type the server name and the VNC port. The connection type will be VNC. Now tap the connection and enter any VNC passwords which you have set. If you want to make a VNC connection using remote repo, just follow the same steps. Open up remote repo, make a new connection, type the server name and your VNC port. Click Save and connect. Now, if you want a VNC connection over SSH, you will have to download another program called ConnectBot. Open it up and type the username of the computer which has ClusterDesktop installed, then add and the server name and then the SCP port, like here. Then connect. Type the password of the computer which has ClusterDesktop installed. And now go to port forwarding and make a new port forward. The port will be 55900, like here. Now you can reconnect to this connection, and now open up Jump and make a new VNC connection, but now the host will be localhost and the port will be 55900. And now you can connect. If you want a VNC connection only with SSH through Jump, click the settings button on the connection which we made with server localhost and port 55900. Scroll down to the SSH tunnel menu and click it. Enable it and type the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting. Type the server name and the SCP port. Save and connect. Now, if you want a VNC connection over SSH with remote repo, the process is the same. Open up ConnectBot, connect to your computer, and make again a port forward with port 55900. Make a new connection in remote repo, with host localhost and port 55900 and connect. In order to make a RDP connection, you would have to have a RDP client. Open the RDP client and make a new connection. Type the server name and the RDP port. Save the connection and connect. Please note that you type the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting. To make a RDP connection through jump, make a new connection. The type will be RDP, type the server name and the RDP port. Save it and connect. Now, to make a RDP connection through SSH, you again have two choices. Through ConnectBot, but now the port forward will be with port 3389. And again, open up RD client, make a new connection, type localhost and the port 3389. Now, to make a RDP connection over SSH with jump, you can again go to ConnectBot and make the port forward with port 3389. Make a RDP connection to localhost with port 3389. If you want a RDP connection over SSH only with jump, click the settings button on the connection which we made with localhost, scroll down to the SSH menu, click enable and then type the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting. Type the server name and the SCP port. Remember to connect to localhost and the port will be 3389. To make a SCP connection, we will use S-File Explorer. Now, go to the Network tab and click on FTP. Make a new SFTP connection and type the server name and the SCP port. Use the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting and click OK. Now you can access your files safely. If you want a FTP connection, we will again make 2 port forwards. So first connect with ConnectBot and make a new port forward. The first will be 50021 and the second 50024. Reconnect and open S-File Explorer. Now make a new FTP connection. Make sure the server is localhost, the port is 50021 and the connection type is passive. Use the username and password of the computer to which you are connecting and click OK. Because you can access your files remotely, you can also play music and videos. Locate the desired song you want to play and open it up with any of your favorite music players. same is with videos. Connect to your computer and open any video you would like. You can even stream any media from your computer to the smart device from which you're accessing it with. But first, you have to make some preparations on the host computer. So, open up VLC, click on File and then Stream. Add a file which you would want to stream. We'll show a video. Click Next. And then on destination, click and choose HTTP. Then click Next and choose any path you would like. For this example, we'll call it Stream. And now on our Android device, we will connect with ConnectBot and make a new port forward at port 8080. Because this is the port on which VLC is streaming. Now, you can reconnect and open VLC on your Android device. Click on Open New Network Stream and enter the address, which is localhost, and the port is 8080. Now type slash and type the path which you choose in the VLC settings. Like I said, we typed stream. Next, click open. That's it, you can access your media from any device. If you need any more help using ClusterDesktop, please see the tutorial on how to use ClusterDesktop for Android devices. Thank you for using ClusterDesktop.